Hello everyone, this is Caustic again, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a good trap song out of the basic standard default instruments available in Caustic. So Caustic was designed to make EDM music. So that's why when you download Caustic, you'll see demo which is full of EDM and no trap, no hip hop, nothing like that. So I'll be showing you how you can make a trap song in this. So I selected the beatbox area and I changed the tempo to 145. Then I click on the one bar loop section over here, this settings button over here, and then that will lead me over here like this. Then go to parent, reset beatbox. So you can individually select which one you want. So I'll go and take the ace beat kick. That's a very low kick. We can sidechain with the 808. So I'll just amplify this kick. So that's perfect for a hip hop trap kit. Then I'll take a snare. That sounds good with a clap. So I'll take a basic clap. I'll take an EDM clap. That's perfect. Now a hi-hat. Now open hi-hat I need. So for open hi-hat, I'll go check some of these. Yeah, so that open hi-hat will be good. Now I'll take a basic crash. So I'll take this ring. Come on, girls, crash, bloody crash. Finally, I got the crash. So now we'll just make a basic beats with this default thingies I got. So I'll take the clap and the snare and then put one over here. So that's a basic snare and clap. Now I'll put the kick on. So that sounds good rhythm. And for the hi-hat, So that sounds good. Now I put a open hat. So I'm not layering it with the closed hat. So now I put the rim. So that sounds good. But the last has to be detuned. So I'm making it detuned by using this method. I mentioned this in the previous video. I don't want the detune, so I'm just deleting it. Okay, so now we have made a basic beats. I'll put the crash too. Okay, so this is the beats. Now, what if I told you there is an 808 in this? Well, actually, there is an 808 in the default Caustic app. So I'll take the 808. So for 808 you have to go again, and I've taken the bass drum of the 808. So this is the bass drum. It actually, when you observe the wave file, it actually sounds like a clean 808. Well, let's just hear it. So that's just an 808. It's perfect for an 808. So I'll save it, and then I'll go to PCM synth, and then I'll paste the 808 over it. See, as you can see, it follows the rhythm of an 808. So I'll just make a pattern. I'll just copy the same pattern over here. So that's the 808. So now I'll take a normal grand piano. So this rhythm I'll just copy it and do some note variations, and it will sound super good. So I'll just copy this pattern, and the higher octave will be increased one note above. Now I'll just change it to the cheap rose. So that sounds good. Now I'll add a different piano too with that. So I'll take a KSS synth. I'll rename it as, yeah. So that sounds good. So that piano gives it more rhythm. So now I'll take a piccolo. For that I'll go take FM synth, and I'll change this init patch to, there are so many over here. So the last bar I'll do some adjustment in the fourth note. So now it will sound like this. So that's just classic. If I'll just add some, now I'll just add a pad to this, a good pad. Yeah, so that's basically it. So now I just have to arrange the song. I'll just arrange it. And so if you want the full instrumental, just comment down in the comment section below, and the song will be arranged and given it to you. So this is basic. So So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And this 808 pattern is recently I got about this idea. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you for giving me 87 subscribers right now. When it's 100 subscribers, there will be a caustic pack which will be given it to you free. So please subscribe if you are not subscribed my channel. So thank you everyone.
Go.